Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. Today's video focuses on the maximum speed of the angled twisting blade on a CNC wire cutter. Currently, the maximum speed supported by the angled twisting blade on a CNC wire cutter is 500 RPM. Increasing the speed to 600 RPM will cause the machine to issue an alarm. Because the machine's counterweight, which weighs approximately 400 kilos, is driven by inertia during operation, it can easily overload the motor. If the speed exceeds 500 RPM, the display will display speed setting failed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.